Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Stacey and I'm back with another video. So today I'm just going to show you how I do my mini twist, which is my go-to protective style when I don't feel like doing anything serious on my hair. So first I'm just going to try and stretch out my hair so that I can get length, even though I know the hair will curl up again, but yeah, a girl has to try. For this style, I'm going to use just two products, my leave-in conditioner and olive oil. As you can see, my hair is divided into sections because I feel like it makes it easier. So you're going to section out the little part and then divide it into two. And then you twist in the same direction. Like you twist the hair in the same direction, and that's how your twist is formed. Just watch what I'm doing. I hope you understand. So this style took me about 8 hours, even though I was doing some other stuffs in between. But yeah, it was worth it because after that you just don't manipulate your hair a lot and just let it stay calm and untouched. You just need to spray it with water and oil for about, it can last some people for 3 weeks, but mine wasn't up to 3 weeks. In fact, I left it for 1 week because I always like to do something new on my hair. So yeah, for those who don't really have that time or don't want to keep changing style, some people keep this for a lot longer. So but me, I just kept it for 1 week. So you're just going to continue to do the same process in the other sections. You apply the leave-in conditioner and then the olive oil, and then you begin to twist in the same direction like I said. So enjoy the video. I hope you watch and understand everything. Thank you for watching to the end. I appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, share with your friends, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you and God bless. Bye bye.